take 455. Alrighty, we're drawing this activity network based on this table. As always, we have a vertice to start, and we can see that only one activity has no predecessor. So this is task A. Now A needs to end, and task B and C can occur after A has ended. So we've done these ones. Now in order for D to happen, B needs to end, so we'll end that one, and we'll put D here. Now in order for E to happen, C needs to end, and then E can occur. So we've done this one. Now in order for F to happen, we need D and C to end, and in order for G to happen, we need D and C to end. So if we end D, we can have both F and G happening. I'm going to put a G up the top and the F down the bottom. But it wasn't just D before these two, it also needed C. So I'm going to draw in here a dummy path, calling it DU to remind myself this is a dummy path. And now my network says that C must end before G can happen, as well as D. So we're putting our arrows in there. D and C must end in order for G or F to occur. So we now have these two on here. Now H is saying that E and F must finish in order for H to occur. So if we finish F and we have H coming off here, E must also be ended in order for H to occur. E and F must be ended. So we've got that one. Now in order for I, we need G to finish, so we'll finish G and we'll have I off there. And in order for J to happen, G and H must finish. So here's H, we'll end H and we can put in J. But it also needed, if we look back here, J needs G and H. G's up here and it ended there. So if we put in another dummy path, oops, dummy, we now are saying that both G and H need to end. Now, as always, we need to have a final vertice where all the paths are ending, so that one's going to come down there and end as well. Now, you can go back and put on your arrows showing all your direction of who was occurring, and then when you read it back, it's going to say what it is. So, making sure that something like J has both G and H coming into it, there's G's path into it, there's H's path into it. So, these are our dummy networks. Thanks for watching.